Hello guys, today I'm going to talk about the special field in the modern technology, which is the ship technology. Ship technology has the greatest scope, so I hope to give a brief explanation of the ship technology regarding what is the ship technology, ship engine, and basic parts of a ship. So let's see them. What is the ship technology? Shipping has tenaciously clung to its traditional roots until the last decade or so. Previously, technology was often considered as somewhat of a liability instead of an asset. The scenario is gradually changing these days, with better and more advanced machinery and communication tools being invented, making easy life to sailors. This is another view of the various technological advancements and investments in the marine industry. In terms of navigation aids, salvage and firefighting support, search and rescue facilities, security system, marine infrastructure. Shipping has been the method of choice for transporting heavy cargo across long distance. These days, marine transportation systems are an integral part of maritime trade, functioning at high efficiency. A four-stroke engine can be installed on the ship to produce electric power and also to propel the ship, usually in a small-sized vessel. This engine takes 4 cycles to complete the transfer of power from the combustion chamber to the ship engine. Here, there are heat engines used for converting heat, which is generated by burning fuel in useful bulb. Likewise, developing thermal energy and transforming into mechanical energy. Marine engines on ships are responsible for propulsion of the vessel from one part to another, whether it's of a small ship lying in the coastal areas or of a massive one. Voyaging international waters, a marine engine of either 4-stroke or 2-stroke is fitted on board ship for the propulsion purpose. Internal combustion engines are mainly used for marine propulsion and power generation purpose. Let's see the working procedure of the marine engine. Crankshaft. The fuel is injected at a controlled amount at high pressure. A mixture of fuel and air is compressed inside the engine cylinder with the help of piston, which results in the explosion of the mixture when pressurized due to compression. As a result, heat is released, which increases the pressure of the burning gas. The sudden increase in the pressure pushes the piston downwards and transmits the transverse motion into the rotary motion of the crankshaft using connecting rod arrangement. The explosion is repeated continuously for maintaining the power output depending upon the type of marine engine and its usage. There are 2 basic types of marine diesel engines, which are 4-stroke engine and 2-stroke engine. Let's see the events taking place in internal combustion engine. Exhaust stroke, which is an upward movement of the piston to draw out used gases. Compression stroke, to compress the air-fuel mixture, which is an upward movement of the piston. Suction stroke, for taking the fresh air inside the chamber, which is the downward movement of the piston. Power stroke, in which the explosion takes place and the piston is pushed downwards. 4 events are completed in 4-stroke of the piston. An inlet and exhaust valve is fitted on top of the cylinder head to draw in fresh air and to expel the used exhaust gas. Both the valves and the fuel pump are operated using camshaft, which is driven by crankshaft using a gear drive. In a 4-stroke engine, the camshaft runs at half the speed of the crankshaft. The crankcase is open to the piston line arrangement, which assists in the lubrication of the liner. The 2-stroke engines are used for vessel propulsion and are bigger in size as compared to the 4-stroke engines. In this engine, the complete sequence is complete in 2 cycles. Power and exhaust. which is the downward movement of the piston due to an explosion inside the chamber, followed by removal of exhaust through the exhaust valve fitted on the top of the cylinder. Stuffing box is used, which separates and seals the crankcase against the combustion chamber. Suction and compression stroke, which is the upward movement of the piston to draw fresh air inside and to compress the air-fuel mixture. Basic parts in the ship. All parts of a ship have different names. The names vary depending on what type of ship it is. The keel. Keel is a heavily reinforced spin which runs along the bottom of the ship through the center. Keel is the first section of a ship that is built since it serves as a foundation. The framework for the hull, the body of the ship is attached to the keel. The hull, most visible part on a ship. The hull provides shelter to everyone on board and makes the ship buoyant. The rubber. What is used to steer the ship is called as rubber. It's secured outside the hull at the back of the ship. The masts. Sailing ships are normally tall and vertical. These are here to support the sails. Larger ships have a number of masts. The forepeak. This is the part of the hold which is nearest the front of the ship at the ship's narrowest section. The jibboom. This is a metal rod that supports the head sail of a ship, which makes it sail more easily. I didn't mention the types of the ships in this video. I hope to upload a video soon about the types of ships and types of trains. I think you gained some knowledge about the ship technology. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like and comment to the video. Let's see you soon on the next video. Stay with us until then, and thank you for watching us.